Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to restore Binance Web3 Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, you need to launch your Binance mobile application, and then log in into your account if you haven't already. After that, tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And here by default you will be on the Exchange tab. But you need to tap on Web3, and then you just have to wait for 2 to 3 seconds until you get this type of option in front of you. Now here, as I haven't backed up my wallet key, but if you already have backed it up, then you will be able to see the restore option. So you just have to tap on restore, and then you just have to select that particular Google Drive on which you have backed up that key. So you just have to simply provide it, and you will be able to restore your Binance Web3 wallet. If you see this type of backup option in front of you, then you need to tap on backup now, and after selecting the email address, you will be able to easily back it up on your Google Drive. Now you can use that same Google Drive in order to restore your Binance Web3 wallet. So that's basically how you can restore Binance Web3 wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.